Thank you guys. I'm telling mom and dad that Michigan was lit and that they should get around. I love you guys. Really, really cool. Alright, I got a few more songs for you. This next one is not that vibe at all. This is a song about my ex. I told you we'd get to my ex at some point in this set. This is a song about my ex-boyfriend's new girlfriend. Like his current girlfriend. Not about her. She rocks. It's not the tea that you think it is. She's actually she seems really, really cool, but he sucks. So this is a song called Crazy Ex-Girlfriend. It's unreleased and I hope you like it. Let's give it a go. Dishes were a job for women. Alyssa, please don't believe him. Did he tell you that I was batshit? That I needed too much attention? He probably told you I was freaky because I got into his DMs. But I'm glad I acted because I was never paranoid. He told me he was with the boys and made me feel insane. So he could cheat. I bet he told you I'm the crazy ex-girlfriend. But he said I was messed up in that. Let me guess, I'm a psycho, schizo, jealous bitch who mentioned all the shit he did. I'm a crazy ex-girlfriend. Or maybe he's the crazy ex-girlfriend. I'm sure he told you that I'm high maintenance, but did he mention the manipulation? Does it make it feel stupid every single time you have a little bit of suspicion? Me and you, we have a lot in common. We both thought he was honest, and we're both over a decade younger than him, but I'm sure it's not a fetish. No, girl to girl, this is your warning, and don't tell you to ignore me. He'll come home 4 in the morning. Don't let gaslight you too. I bet he told you I'm a crazy ex-girlfriend. I bet he said I was messed up in that. Let me guess, I'm a psycho, schizo, jealous bitch who mentioned all the shit he did. I'm a crazy ex-girlfriend. And one day you're gonna be his crazy ex-girlfriend. But Alyssa, just know that in the end, you're not a psycho, schizo, jealous bitch. I promise it was always him. Could he be the problem? But he'll tell everybody.